Hey everybody, welcome to Stirling Week. Marion the Barbarian here, and we got a Stirling shave for you today. So, got this in, Sandpiper. It's a dupe inspired by YSL Duet. I don't know, man, we'll just put it right there. YSL fragrance, I'll put it right there. I'll read it, and that's what it is. I don't know scent notes. But this is a wonderful scent. I was told if you're going to own a Stirling, everybody should own Sandpiper. I've only owned one Stirling before this, and it's Mountain Man. And I probably haven't used that thing in like 13, 14 months. I do have it, but I don't have a matching splash. Teton shaves. We did lather it up in the Captain's Choice. Did use the, put a shit ton of water in there and just let it go and mix it and agitate it until it thickens up. And that's the method we used. And I think we got a pretty decent lather. I could have done a little better, but I don't give a fuck. Plenty hydrated, smells wonderful, and I'm gonna have a good shave. As you can see from the thumbnail, Henson Titanium, aggressive plate with Rockwell blade because they were the easiest to get to, and it's just time to burn through some damn blades. And that way when I burn through them, I can just buy whatever I want and use those. So honestly guys, high, medium, off the puck, scent strength. The whole fucking bathroom smells like this, guys. It is really opened up. Very nice in my opinion. And we know we got irritation down here. See how it goes. Ingrowns. Whatnot. Guys, I had a decently early day at work. It's not early, but it was early. Couldn't have gotten off in time to get my kids from daycare or anything, even though it's not my kids' day to have my kids. There's no way that was going to happen. But it was still a good day for me. Still trying to get the ears lowered. Dude, I'm about to just schedule something for like Sunday afternoon, and that be it. And stop trying to like schedule the day of or a day before, because everybody's getting their fucking hair did. Alright. It's messy. You know I gotta hydrate it. Look at that handle. Covered. But it's really nice. Plenty of slickness. Sorry, I had to rinse that handle a little. Let me go against the grain. See, I did open up. Right there. I can't believe it. I'm not a fan of Rockwell blades normally. Next door neighbor's coming up the stairs. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see, but ingrown, couple there. Just need to get them out. You know, maybe the next shave, I will face lather. See if I can pull some of those ingrowns out. You'll see them. I can still feel the hair there. Plenty of slickness though, guys. Plenty of slickness. I've never bought a lot of Stirling because it's always there. So, I just never really get it. Just like with PAA, I missed out on some scents he discontinued because I expected them to always be there. All right, we're gonna clean up. I'm gonna use my PAA alum block just to see if we can close up some of this down here because it doesn't make any sense. It could be the Rockwell because I've never been a fan of the blades, but who knows? It's probably me. I suck. All right, guys, that's up. Be right back. All right, got the Lancaster. Honestly, guys, it's not bad. I didn't even get sting from the alum. Pretty much stopped up real quick. Who knows? It could be the Rockwell. I don't know. Like I said, I've been having irritation down in this neck area for a while, and I'm using lighter and lighter pressure every time, and it's just, I think I just need to give myself a while to heal, but I don't want to. I took yesterday off. Watched all the Ip Mans. Have y'all ever heard of that? Ip Man, I think you can also known as Yip Man. But it's IPMAN. I watched all 4 of them. Sunday night, yesterday. Just wiping down the mirror, guys. And it was good. All right. Sandpiper Splash. Cracking that seal, baby. Oh. It's a very nice scent. It's very alcohol strong and forward. You smell that on the Stirling splashes, I've noticed. So we'll see what the dry down is, but I expect a really good burn, and that's important to me. And it's going to burn right here. You'll see that? The red. Actually, it wasn't that bad of a burn. Damn it, Rockwell. You do not shave close, brother. Just joking. Oh, yeah. That's turning into a great scent right there. Like just the alcohol coming off. So, guys, I've been told, and I don't know what all the other scents smell like, but kind of agree. Sandpiper's a banger. You should own Sandpiper if you're gonna only own one Stirling. So we used the splash. We used the soap. We matched it up for Stirling week. We did use the Henson Titanium. I do enjoy this razor. Never have issues with it generally. So this was a little upsetting down here. But brand new Rockwell blade. It's getting taken out after this shave and dumped, and I'll probably grab the last one for the next time I shave. And okay, guys, using another Rockwell because I want to use them all up because I'm a dumbass. So Teton shaves. Y'all see this brush a lot. I really do enjoy it. Enjoy the knot. And I just like the looks of it. It's kind of like an hourglass. A couple of rings at the bottom, and I like the stones in there. All right, guys, so I think that concludes it up. Everybody join in. Have a great Stirling week. And we'll at least have one more Stirling shave, but it will not be tomorrow. I have a surprise shave for everybody tomorrow. All right, y'all have a good one.